Many theories that science holds as true actually came from priests of strong faith in history. And I will get into what those theories are and who actually thought of them and theorized them. Faith describes the why, while science describes the how. Scientists, if they're stuck in the physical universe and try to describe how the physical universe works without the why behind it, they end up being stuck in the universe. What we can see and sense with our senses, sight, hearing, smell, and all that. But they neglect the concept of heaven and neglect the concept of God, a creator, behind all of that, which is invisible. And therefore neglect faith, and therefore neglect morals, which is also invisible. Early scientists were Christian, like George Lemaître. He was a Catholic priest who first proposed the theory of the Big Bang. So the Big Bang, which is one of the main focal points of scientists today, the theory was developed by a Catholic priest. Max Planck, who is the founder of quantum theory, was a Lutheran Protestant. Francis Collins, who is the founder of the Human Genome Project, was a devout Christian, a serious Christian. Nicolaus Copernicus was a Catholic, and he was the founder of the heliocentric solar system, the solar system that revolves or orbits around the sun. The biologist Gregor Mendel, who's the father of genetics, was a Catholic priest and Augustinian friar. Galileo, Sir Isaac Newton, and Johannes Keplar were all deeply devout and viewed their work as a way to illuminate God's creation. First proverb illuminates it, which proverbs are short, memorable sayings with a moral connotation that are is a guidance towards how to live life, which applies morality to it, because there is the good way of God, of faith, and then there is the destructive way, absent of God and absent of faith. In the very first proverb, at the end of it, in verse 7, it says, "The fear of the Lord is the beginning of knowledge. And fools despise wisdom and discipline." Using knowledge for a moral end, where you're not destroying or being destructive with the knowledge, but you're being helpful and moral with it, applying wisdom